This is a perfect example to how much the markets can mentally mess with you. Because if you are over leveraged on these and you took big losses, one, both the option that you took, because what you did necessarily isn't a wrong thing, Jenny. That's actually a really good thing to follow that. Even though you're not in the trade, you're not FOMOing into the trade to try and get it now that it's going in the direction that we were anticipating or waiting for. The fact that you used the right lot sizing so you could sustain, you took two losses but your accounts are still intact. And then we all know what you do. So overnight or whatever, or tomorrow, you can make that back and some easily. So just sustaining those and knowing when to call it quits, or even if it's not calling it quits, and when your model shows itself, as long as you didn't over leverage and you have more gun bullets in the chamber, you can take that other shot. And then if you're wrong again, then you just get out. If it doesn't make sense to you, then don't take a trade, because what do we say? No position is a position. It's still cash in your hand that you didn't put on the line. So there's multiple ways of being disciplined and to come at it and to have that longevity. So I just hope everybody stays key to.
I'm focusing more on my live accounts lately, to be transparent, guys. Once I uploaded a couple accounts to TradeZella and I saw the difference, I was like, oh, you know it, but you don't really know it until you see it. Upload a couple of your accounts to some of the same tracking software, and you'll realize that it's not just the $100 that these challenges cost. It's also the fact that now you've blown, let's just say $6,000 that you did make. Whereas if that was my live account, I didn't blow the 6,000. So even if I had the treacherous day, which in general for my live money, I don't do that a lot. I'm down whatever, 1,000 or two, which is a lot in all fairness, but I didn't lose everything. Whereas on the prop side, I lost everything. Like that last Monday, it was a bad decision day. It was a horrible decision day, but it wouldn't have been the same if it was just my live money. It would have been a completely different scenario. So I'm focusing a lot on my live accounts. I'm very happy about it. I am scaling down in terms of some of my profit targets. There's no sense in making several $1,000s a day for consistency rules, for payout levels, when that's not my objective anyways. The only place I want to do that for is Apex, and that's because I want the 7-figure payout. I want to prove that it can be done. 6, 7. I'll take either. 6, 7. Both of them. But that's my big objective. I do think I'm probably going to lean toward automation for that, because it's a strategy I can write. They can define. They don't have to question, because I'm not sure if you guys have used that part on Apex where you have to write your strategy in, but it's concrete. It's clear. There's no exception. That's the benefit of automation, to say, this is what I'm doing. Here's how I'm doing it. Here's how I'm managing it. And the executions are going to line up within 90% of that and totally duplicatable. So